Class. Now, in the series of prose or any stories, the chapter 8 is Going Places, and the story writer is A.K. Barton. Going Places is especially a story written by the story writer A.R. Barton. In the story Going Places, Barton explores the theme of explore means discover. Explores the theme of adolescent. Adolescent means adulthood, युवावस्था. Explores the theme of adolescent fantasizing means कल्पना करना. इस स्टोरी गोइंग प्लेसेस में बार्टन एक्सप्लोर करते हैं एडोलेसेंट यानी एडल्टहुड में जो कल्पना करने की प्रक्रिया होती है बच्चों में, दैट इज, एंड हीरो वर्शिप और वीर पूजा या नायक की पूजा, इसको वो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, यानी उसके बारे में स्टोरी राइटर हमें बता रहे हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, in this story, Sophie and Jancy were classmates and friends. In a nutshell, I am telling about you about this story. Sophie and Jancy were classmates and friends, but there were differences between them. Sophie was also dreaming. She remained in fantasy of Danny Casey. She dreamed of different types of professions after the school. On the other hand, Jenny or Jancy lives in reality. It means Sophie also remained in imagination, hero worship, etc. On the other hand, Jancy always remained in reality. Sophie seemed somewhat proud while Jancy was a simple girl. Okay, Sophie was somewhat proudy and Jancy was a simple girl. Now, before going to the lesson, we have to see the difficult word of this story. See. Boutique, a shop selling costly items. Boutique, that is called. Melancholy means sad. Plump, fat. Fastened, tight, बंधी हुई, बंधा हुआ. Crooked, bent. Cluttered, disordered. Tinkering means making small changes to repair. Tinkering means making small changes to repair. Voluntarily, willingly. Exotic means foreign. See, Videshi. Impatient, without patient. Regaled means go or went. Grimaced means changed expression. Grimaced means changed expression, यानी नाराजगी दिखाई. Inaudible, that which cannot be heard. Amber, a kind of yellowish resin. Kahurwa, it is called in Hindi, yellowish resin. Ecstatic, in great joy. Ecstatic, great joy. Nosy, suspicious, shakky. Startled, shocked. Frowned, to contract, brow in anger. आईब्रोज को एंगर यानी क्रोध में सिकुड़ना. फ्रॉन्ड, भवें टेढ़ी करना, सिकुड़ना. ग्लेयर्ड, शोन. गॉकी, फूल. चप्ड, वेरी प्लीज्ड. डिस्पोंडेंट, showing less hope. Gazelle, a small antelope. Gazelle, a small antelope. shimmer, to shine, shimmer, to shine. Prodigy, a person who is unusually intelligent. Humbling, moving slowly, humbling, moving slowly. Defenders, protectors, a person who defends, yani rakshak. Crisply, dry and hard. Exultant, showing pride, exultant, showing pride. And approbation is agreement, contract. Approbation, agreement or contract. Exultant, showing pride.